Top 8. Best survival shovels can take along on an outdoors trip. It will help you set up camp and unset it, make your way through the wild. Number 8. Cold Steel 92SF Special Forces. The Cold Steel tool is also inspired from the Soviet Spetsnaz shovel. It will allow you to dig through and make your way through any kinds of difficult terrain, including a heavily frozen landscape. The head and socket are made from ultra-strong heat-treated steel. Very strong and durable steel. Easy to remove and replace. Sheath available separately. Number 7. Gerber Gorge Folding. Popular Gerber tool also doubles as a hammer. Perfect for pounding in the tent stakes. It's designed to be easy to carry and easy to use. A simple button will make it unfold into a full position, and you will be able to carry it around easily in a drawstring bag. Very light and easy to carry. Ideal camping shovel. Comes with drawstring bag for carrying. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best survival shovels or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 6. Cold Steel 92SFS Special Forces. Spetsnaz design, which was a standard part of the Russian soldiers' retinue. This seemingly simple tool comes equipped with a hardwood handle and a belt hoop to hand it from. After you give it a try, you'll be surprised at how easily it allows you to dig through, easy to remove and replace. Heat treated for extra strength. Ideal for winter camping trips. Number 5. Smittybilt 2728 Matte Black, and hard ground out of the way. Especially if you're going on an outdoors adventure by car, you should store one of these around for making sure you can get out of a tight spot if needed. It's also the best folding shovel for setting up your camping area. Helps get your car out of tight spots. Also great for setting up camp. Very durable and tough. Number 4. Gerber E-Tool Folding Spade. Survival shovel reviews compare their target to the Gerber E-Tool, seeing how it stacks up against it, or not. In our opinion, this item is the best survival shovel if you're planning to make your way through a wild scenery or in the woods. Perfectly suitable to digging in hard areas. Serrated edge ideal for cutting roots. High durability due to top-notch steel. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best survival shovels or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. SOG Entrenching Tool Folding. When it unfolds, this sturdy backpacking shovel proves to be the perfect ally for hard jobs. It's the perfect companion on a camping trip, since it can be easily used as a camp shovel, snow or sand shovel, wood saw or pick. Mini folding shovel perfect for camping. Durable and suited to hard jobs. Guaranteed to last for life. Number 2. USGI Military Original Issue E. And heavy work. You can lock it in multiple lengths and positions, use it as a grappling hook, ice pick or even as a chair. According to survival shovel reviews, this one is more durable and heavy-duty than most of its counterparts. Will outlast most other portable shovels. Suitable for heavy-duty jobs. Genuine issue of the US military. Number 1. IUNIO Military Portable Folding Back of many outdoor enthusiasts engaged in a whole variety of activities and situations. What resulted is a perfect balancing act between the various needs which can arise when you're out in the wild. It includes the following tools: shovel board, hexagonal wrench, saw. Military grade. Very durable. Compact and lightweight. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best survival shovels or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.